Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. You love Shawnee. I'm Shawnee. Y'all already know that. So today I brought a leftover mukbang from 4th of July because I wanted to just go ahead and get rid of the stuff. So we're going to do a barbecue mukbang. I don't know what I'm going to title it. I'm looking for my spoon, y'all. Sorry. I don't know what I'm going to title it, but I do have smoked fish that was on the pit. Yes, I got a sausage, baked beans, and then I have broccoli casserole with a little bit of extra black pepper and salt on there. I had a barbecue at my house, and I made the broccoli casserole for the masses, but I like a lot of salt, so I just added extra to mine. So let's go ahead and get it started. You already know I got my crazy cocktail. Maybe that might be what I name it. What y'all think? Crazy cocktail? Okay, so I got my cocktail. This is a Bahama Mama with an extra, you know what. I always put an extra shot in my drink, y'all. So that's that. Let me take my first sip of tea. Man, that Bahama Mama is the truth, y'all. All right. So I also have right here, if you was on my live last night, it was so lit. But at the end, I was so tired, right? So I owe y'all a shot. So I got it right here. I owe y'all a shot for my live last night. Thank everybody for coming on into my live. It was lit. I also have my shout outs from my last 3 videos. Look, I filled up both the front and the back. So y'all stay tuned for the shout outs. Before I get started, I did want to mention the earthquakes in Cali. So all of my supporters and my fellow content creators, if y'all in Cali, check in my comments and let us know you're okay. Like Mia's Coins, I saw her on live today. She was in my live when the earthquake happened. Is Big Mac, he's in Cali. Steph and Tasha's in Cali. Who else, y'all? Well, anyway, I hope everybody's okay from the earthquake. So let's get going. This dress. I don't know where I want to get started. Let me mix this up. So I put a little extra salt and pepper on there for me. I like salt and pepper. So when you having a function at your house, you have to season for your crowd. Okay, so this is the broccoli casserole right here. Get y'all some broccoli on there. Okay. It's smoking. Can y'all see that? Y'all never can see my smoke, but it's smoking hot. Here I go. Broccoli casserole. And I did the shortcut way on this broccoli casserole. I'm gonna have to give me another platter because this one is like off or whatever. Oh yeah, look at that broccoli right there on top. Do y'all like broccoli casserole? Let me get into this fish though. So this is the smoked fish that we had. I seasoned it. And it went on the pit. Y'all put fish on y'all barbecue pit? Let me know. We put fish, shrimp. We put lobster tail on there before. It's really good. Look at that. The seasoning on that. Y'all can see that without me dropping it. Baby. Y'all already know these bushes. Okay. Bushes, baked beans. Well, hot. That's good. Sausage right now. I got my mustard, but I don't want to make like a big mess. Y'all already know. my mustard. So maybe I just put a little piece of squirt on there. Right like that. So a little piece of squirt on there like that. Even though I like a lot of mustard, but the smoke on that, it's so good, y'all. Too good for TV. I guess I just was not prepared at all today. Not prepared. Let's go back to this fish. So I'm going to start saying the shout outs because there's quite a few, and I don't want them to overlap each other. I want y'all to be able to see every single name. Put some fish on the pig. It takes no time. Even if you're not doing a whole barbecue. You want something different for dinner? Put your fish on the pig. Or put your steak and your lobster tails on there for the date night. That's what I think we're going to do next. Steak and lobster. Get y'all some of that behind my mama. Here you go. Look at that. I can't get past the fish, y'all. It's too good. Too good. Baked beans. Which I love. I know y'all probably saying, what a potato salad? Not in my barbecue. Not in mine, sorry. I don't eat potato salad. Therefore, I don't make it. I offer a variety of other items. This is just a leftover plate. We have plenty of things, but this is just a leftover plate. And what we got left after everybody took their to-go plates and stuff. All right, we got a couple of more sausage and hot dogs left, but that's it. I'm gonna start with the crawfish video because that was the one I did the furthest away, I guess I want to call it. Okay, so I'm gonna get started with these shout outs. On the crawfish video, my daughter told you how to drop party hats. So I just went back right before I was setting up. I just went back and made this list like right now before I started recording. So I wanted to make sure I grabbed everybody. So from the crawfish video for me and only Veronica, she told you how to drop party hats, and the people that did that was Key Can Eat, the Hurley Clan, the I Love Lisa Michelle Show, H-Town, Marsha Bodacious. I gotta give it a second because I'm gonna float it right here. So it'll say Marsha Bodacious, right? Right there. Triple J Family, M&H Munchdown, Us Two Always. That's a new one, y'all. Y'all go check them out. That's a new one, and they show so much love. Of course, Myra Lewis, always in the building. We have Clody's Freeman, H-Town again. We also have Ansonia Bussy, Tasty Mafia, and last but not least, Lips. I think Lips have an iPhone, so it has those squares, and I'm just guessing he put the party hats. So shout out to Lips. So that was from the crawfish video. You can get some of this barbecue casserole, y'all. It's so good. Look at that. I'm going to the next shout out. I'm hungry, y'all. It is late in the afternoon. I haven't ate all that. A snack don't count. Y'all know I snack all the time. Y'all see me on my lives. Snacking. Yeah. I haven't did the fish. Probably should have had a fork, but that's alright. It's flaky, that's why it's so hard to pick up. Leftovers. You know. It's so good. So this is my first video from since the 4th of July. I hope y'all had a good 4th of July. We did. I told y'all about the barbecue in my house. And they put on a fireworks show for the kids. We had a lot of fireworks, y'all. A lot. Just us. And that's not even my neighbors. My neighbors had some, man, look. It was like a firework competition, I want to say. Yeah, something like that. We do a big one and it go crazy. Boom, go crazy. Then here they come with a big one. We do a smaller one. They might do a medium one. We do a medium one. They do a big one. It was fun though. We really put on a good show for the kids. So that's all that matters. We make the kids happy. Okay. The next one is going to be the popsicle challenge. Shout out to Lips. That is his challenge. And we really enjoyed doing that. That was fun. Got some good mother-daughter bonding time in. I enjoyed that. Shout out to Lips. Okay, so that one my daughter told y'all. Only Veronica, of course. I'll put that right here. Only Veronica. She asked for y'all to drop the snowflakes because we was eating the popsicles and it was so freaking cold. We was freezing. So on that one we have the I Love Lisa Michelle show. H-Town again. She's in Houston. We have Chloe's Freeman. She's from Houston. As am I. Angel Sky and the Crazy Five. Yeah, I love that channel. Period. Love that channel. Miss Smith Eats. Y'all know I love that channel. Christina's Life. Now, Christina's Life used to be Christina Brackens, but she changed her name, so now it's Christina's Life. Shout out to you, boo. I see you. And of course, my girl, Shay Journey. You're going to see her name right here. Right about here. Hey, Shay. Shout out to Shay Journey. I love that channel. Okay, and I'm going to do the other shout-outs. The next shout-outs was the Cup of Noodle challenge. So shout out to Miss Smith Eats. That's her challenge. If you want to do the Cup of Noodle challenge, go on over there to Miss Smith Eats channel, and she'll give you all the rules and everything. Also, if you want to do the popsicle challenge, go ahead and go to Liv's channel and get all the rules so you can do it the correct way. Because all challenges have rules. Excuse me, y'all. So I'm going to do the shout-outs from the Cup of Noodle challenge. And then I'll be caught up on shout-outs. And then I'll tell y'all what to do on this video to get a shout-out on my next video. These shout-outs are never ending. I love giving shout-outs, though. Because I want y'all to know that I actually, I appreciate y'all commenting and everything and watching my video to the end. It has perks. Cheers. Boom. Okay, let me stop clowning y'all. Y'all know. Y'all know I'm a clown. Couple Noodle Channel shout-outs. Here we go. The Hurley Clan. Hey, Nikki. Hey, Nikki Boo. Heather G. The Burping Princess. Zalia Butler. Trika, Texas T. I love that channel. I love Burping Princess too. The Hurley Clan. I love all the channels that I'm naming. And Sonia Bussy. Shout out to you, Ansonia. She been on my lives and watch all my videos, y'all. Shout out to Ansonia. Marsha Bodacious. You made it again, boo. Angel in Real Life. That's a new friend, y'all. Angel in Real Life. We got also a oldie but goodie, Lacey Hall. I love that channel. We got my bro, Big Mac, in the building. And we have Eats with Fifi. That's Texas, baby, right there. Eats with Fifi. Dallas. So those are my shout-outs. Y'all gonna see them floating across the screen. Real colorful. I love bright colors. So y'all see that. I want to thank everybody who watches my videos to the end to get a shout-out. I appreciate y'all. And now for this video. It's still warm too. Ooh. For this video, I'm too sure I'm gonna drop what I want y'all to drop. Mm. Mm-hmm. I'm starting to run out of ideas. Let me think, y'all. While I finish my food. What I want y'all to drop. That fish was slamming, y'all. See, it's gone. So good, y'all. I made broccoli casserole because it's a fan favorite. Every time I put it out, people love it. And I haven't had it in a while. I brought this out. The beans, mashed potatoes, all the different meats. We have ribs, fish, sausage, hot dogs, burgers. Huge burgers. That's a mashed potato, egg, all that. This thing is not making y'all. I know what. Find in y'all emojis. Find a cocktail glass or some type of drink, martini glass, margarita glass, whatever. Find a cocktail glass and drop that. If you made it this far, drop a cocktail glass to get a shout out on the next video. Boom. Oh, I can taste the liquor, y'all. Whoop. Okay, so this is our weekend where we have said that we're gonna do lives. We're gonna try and do lives. People, now look now, y'all. About these lives every day, it's hard. Anybody to go live every day know how much of a task it is. Because you need to block out a certain amount of time to be on live and talk to your people and, enjoy them. So we're all going to attempt. Now, we all have lives and children and everything else going on, right? But we're going to attempt to do the family lives all this weekend with myself, Lips, Sam's World, and Big Mac. We're going to attempt to do it all weekend, y'all. We did it yesterday, which was Lit Friday. Lit Fridays as always. I know I always do Lit Fridays. I'm starting more and more to do Wild on Wednesday. I like Wild on Wednesday too. You know it's gonna be dancing. Is music playing in my head, y'all? It's so good. Oh yeah, y'all got them cocktail glasses. Oh yeah. It's good, but I'm full, y'all. I'm so full. I want to finish it. Yeah, this ain't no joke. Okay, yeah, this is the dailies that I always talk about. Them, I left it over there too, on the counter. The pouch drinks. This is Bahama Mama, and then I already know I put I told you at the beginning. I always put an extra shot. You can drink it as is. I'm just not. Baby. We in the South. We drink, okay? Especially when I'm at home and I'm not going nowhere. No. If you have a bigger glass, get you 2 pouches and fill your glass up. If you have like a daiquiri glass, get 2. Or 3. It's the weekend, y'all. Why not? We made it to the weekend. It's still kind of frozen, so I'm gonna have to finish this off camera. It's good though, y'all. Maybe I'll put me a little half a shot in there to loosen it up. Maybe that's what I'll do. All right, y'all. I'm out. I'm gone. I'm full. Peanut gallery gonna eat this. But I'm full and I can't eat it. So that's it for me. Your girl. You love shining. In and out. Don't forget, because I ain't forget. I ain't forgot. From last night with my cousin. Shout out to Joe Foster. I'll put it down here. He always called me out when I owe a shot. Sometimes at the end of my life, I'm extremely tired and I'm already lifted. So I don't get to my last shot. But I got it for y'all today, boo. I got it for y'all today, okay? Cheers to everybody who's watching and been watching. I love y'all. Shout out to all my new angels. Welcome. That's how we do it over here. So this is a shot that I owe from last night on my live because I did owe a shot. I hit 50 something likes. So I think 50 or 60. I don't remember. But anyway, at the 50 point, I'm supposed to take a shot and I didn't. So here y'all go. Whoop, 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 whoop. This ain't the time for it to be frozen. Oh, that shot is serious, y'all. Serious. I'm gonna finish this though, yeah. While I'm editing, because I'm gonna edit this right now. And if you're watching this, it's probably early Sunday morning. So good morning. Good morning. And I'm out. You love shiny over and out. Peace.